Welcome to CGBrush. In this first video of the thumbnail art series, we're going to create a color palette that you can use for the thumbnails we make in this series or any thumbnails you may work on in the near future. Let's get started by creating a new canvas. We will use a width of 1920 and a height of 1080. The resolution we will set to 300. Let's first save our file by going to File or by pressing Ctrl S on Windows or Command S on macOS. With that out of the way, we can get started by selecting the rectangle shape. You can select it in the bottom corner of the screen or press U on your keyboard. With the rectangle tool selected, create an even square on the canvas by clicking and holding your mouse while dragging into any direction. And if you hold Shift, you can create an even shape. Let's give our rectangle a dark color for the background. Before we start creating the color palette, you first need to curve the edges of the rectangle. This way we create a nice looking icon. You can do this by selecting the rectangle and then dragging one of the dots in the rectangle to the center. Select the rectangle again and this time create 9 small cubes inside of the background we created. With the cubes being finished, we can start giving each of them a name. And once you're done with the names, you can start giving each of them their own colors. In the description of this video, you will find a link to the channel's Discord server, and in the hashtag resources channel, you will find a text document that you can download with the names and color codes for all the 9 cubes. And with all those steps completed, you have created your own color palette that you can use to continue in the next video, where you can learn to create the background, shapes and colors of your thumbnail. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ticking that little notification bell, so you know exactly when the next video will be uploaded. And of course, like the video and leave a comment with what you learned in this video.